How's it going? It's 220 Prepper, and I got a quick video. So I figured I would do this as a reaction video. What I have, this is the Tacticon Battle Belt, and I got this one for $25, I think, something like that. I had to double check the price later. But this is a combat veteran owned. If you can see that, a combat veteran owned budget battle belt. So I figured I would do first impressions, and then once I get some actual time behind this, I can give a actual review. So the reason I did this is because I have a current budget battle belt system, and it is this right here. So this is a Condor. I forget which one specifically, but it's just a Condor belt. I'm gonna do a video on this soon. I'm gonna do a video on this soon because it's actually a pretty good system. It's an okay system, I'd say, but I'll save that for the video. And as far as like what's on it and how I plan on adjusting it and all of that, that'll all be in that video later. But for now, this is a first reaction slash unbagging. I guess this is not really a box of this particular belt. And, oh wow, I actually like that material. Let's see here. So a combat veteran owned L battle belt, laser cut Molly adjustable fit, Tacticon armament battle gear. Apparently you can get this at Tacticon.com. I got mine off of Amazon. Sounds like my son's about to start waking up. Registration info. Please register your Tacticon armament within 15 days to activate a lifetime warranty and a 25% off lifetime discounts. I like that. I will definitely be doing that. And lifetime warranty? Oh, that's definitely good. So on to this. So I got mine large because, well, I still got some extra around the midsection. So one thing I like about this is it's got a nice cobra buckle. So that's actually a really good thing. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I definitely like that buckle. So it's a nice buckle. It's metal, it's not plastic. That's actually a good thing. Which, unlike my current belt, does not have a cobra buckle, and it's actually plastic. But to be honest, this is a good belt. Again, I'll do some comparisons between the two, but I have a dedicated video to that soon. Okay. Sorry, had to take a pause, so I lost my train of thought. So with this belt that it came with, it looks like it came with a. Okay, so it came with a pad. So it looks like this belt doesn't actually have an inner belt. It just has this inner padding, which is cool. We'll see. We'll see how well this holds up when it has a lot of gear on it. Seems very rigid, which is a good thing. Again, we'll see how well this all holds up when it has, when it's weighed down by a bunch of gear. Hopefully it'll still be good. This actually has Molly. I don't know how well it's going to come through on the camera. There we go. But yeah, this actually's got Molly to put your attachments on, which, well, that's probably going to be a lot easier for a lot of things. Again, that's in a comparison, but that's going to be something different. So, I mean, I guess as far as first impressions go, this Tacticon's going to be kind of nice. Let's go ahead and take that little tag off of there. I really like that belt. Not the belt. Well, I mean, at first glance, I definitely like this belt. I mean, is this going to be as good as your blue alpha gears and stuff like that. No, not really. I mean, they do say you get what you pay for, but this seems, as a whole, this seems very sturdy. Again, it's just first impression, so I mean, I definitely need some time with this, and I definitely need, do some running guns. I'm definitely gonna upgrade from what's on there. I'm upgrading when it's on this, but I mean, it looks like this will definitely hold, definitely do some work. So we'll see how well this turns out, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you updated. For now, it's Two Tone Prepper. I'm signing off.